All right, so this is a video about increasing and decreasing functions. And again, I just posted a video that kind of went into depth about what increasing, decreasing is and what we look for. But just a quick reminder, we'll always read the graph left to right. So when we look at the picture, we're always going left to right. And we only care about the x value. We don't care what the y value is doing. When we're talking about intervals, we only care about the x value. Okay? So let's start with increasing, and we'll do this in orange. Okay? So the increasing intervals we'll do in orange. So reading it left to right, where's the graph going up? Well, I only see one spot here where it's going up, and that's that section right there, correct? Because from left to right, notice how I drew a line there and it has a positive slope. Okay? So it's going up. So where does it start going up? And I only want the x value. It starts at 0, and it goes to about 2, we'll say. And again, that's 2 on the x-axis. So it's increasing from 0 to 2, and so we write 0, 2 in parentheses. And remember, I know people say, well, it looks like an ordered pair. No, well, if you write increasing, we know that, or at least teachers and other will know that you're talking about an open interval, not necessarily an ordered pair in this case. All right, so that's where it's increasing. And we'll do decreasing in green. Okay? So notice how the graph is going up, but it's also going out. And again, it's really hard to see with this small snapshot here, but if I were to keep going, it would keep going like that, right? It would keep going up and out. So, and we only care about the x value. What's out to the left? That's negative infinity. Okay? So at negative infinity is where it starts going down. And it's going to go down, 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 all the way down, and stops there because that's where the graph turns and starts going up there. So it stops going down at the x value of 0. Okay, so that's where it decreases. And then I see another spot here where the graph's going down, going left to right. But remember, as it's going down, it's going out to the right. So it starts going down at 2. And then as it's going down, it's also going out. So most students would say, oh, it's going down to negative infinity. But I don't want the y value, I want the x value. Because it's going out to the right, and that's where positive infinity is. So the graph is decreasing in 2 different spots, from negative infinity to 0, because then from 0 to 2 it goes up, it's increasing. And then from 2 to positive infinity, it's going down again. And whenever we have 2 intervals, like there's 2 different spots that does it, we put a u in between the 2 different intervals to make them sure they're together. They both decrease at those spots. Okay? So that is how we find intervals, and this was a cubic function. There we go.